We love living in the Dandenongs. We've been a part of this community now for 35 years. In the late 1990s, we had a change in circumstances. Rod's health continued to deteriorate and we became very isolated. It wasn't until 2009 when Rod, we now think, had a small stroke, but he definitely had a big fall, broke his femur in 4 places. He was in hospital for over 8 weeks and the only people to visit him were immediate family. It was very evident that there wasn't anybody else in our life. We realised that we had to do something about it, and it was then that Care Connect came into our life. We knew what care would look like in terms of assistance in the garden, which we really needed, and also some in the home. What we didn't know was what client advice would look like, and that is part of the package. And you've got to realise that we'd already gone through a really big crisis in our life with Rod's fall, so we needed help. And we were in a really bad place. Emotionally, physically, financially, there wasn't an aspect of our life that didn't need some assistance and some input. So when our client advisor first arrived, we were, a little bit cautious. Here's somebody new in our life. That client advisor helped us through that really tough time. So it was more than just services that we got offered. It was a whole different perspective on where life could go. So it wasn't just where we were today, it was planning for the future. And looking ahead to say we had a future and how we could stay in our own home, which is what we clearly wanted to do. However, we wanted a better life than what we'd had for the last 15 years. So how was that going to be achieved? It was that perspective from the client advisor that made the true difference in our life. Through our client advisor's encouragement, we also started to make connections in the community.
Getting back into the community was probably the best thing I've done. I guess it's better to be out doing something than just sitting at home doing nothing. But with Care Connect, I feel more involved with the community and best to be part of it.
If somebody is looking at the options of an organisation that just delivers services or an organisation that delivers services with client advice, I would recommend going with the client advice and with Care Connect anytime.